Hey, good morning, everyone. I'm Teacher Michelle.
I'm Teacher Ning.
Okay, so let's do today's vocabulary. First word, rooster.
Rooster. Next one, goose.
Goose. Lamb.
Lamb. Next one, swine.
Swine. Pony.
Pony. Last one, sheep dog.
Sheepdog. Okay, so can you please point to goose?
This one, goose.
Goose.
Michelle, please point to rooster.
Rooster. Okay, so let's do conversation. Hi, Annie, how's it going?
I'm doing great, thanks.
What animals would you feed?
I would feed a pony.
Okay,
Michelle, what animal would you feed?
I will feed a rooster. Okay, so by the way, what's the differences between horse and pony? Basically, we will measure that with that size. So usually horse is bigger than pony. And this one is a size measures chart here, so you can see. You can use a hand to measure the different heights, okay, based on this chart. So you can see, called little horse, we usually call it pony, and the mature horse like this size, okay. So that's all. Okay. See you. Bye bye.